So very good afternoon, and I take this opportunity. We had a meeting with the CRPF today in the Secretariat, and as you are aware that the CRPF has been here in the state of Meghalaya for a very, very long time. And they have been camped in different temporary locations. And the CRPF for many years has requested the government of Meghalaya to give a permanent location and a permanent camp to them. And because this permanent location was not given, the CRPF different battalions and companies have been kept in different parts of the city and the state on a temporary basis, but which has extended for a very long time. And hence today we have decided and in fact handed over the allotment of 10 acres of land in the new Shillong township area next to IIM for the CRPF to have a permanent camp in the state of Meghalaya, which will further facilitate the process of shifting the temporary camps and taking the different CRPF personnel from those temporary camps to the permanent camp that is the land which is being given to them. And in the process, we also discussed regarding the shifting of the camps in certain locations where there had been a lot of demand from the public also, like in the areas of Maulai. So those discussions also were done, and this process also will start. And as they finalize and as the approval from Government of India, from MHA comes for the taking over of the land which has been allotted by us, the process of also shifting as well as constructing the permanent site will start. Apart from that, we have also discussed that especially in Maulai area, in the camp that is there next to the Maulai police station, that we will further, once this shifting process takes place, we also discussed on how the land can be utilized to have skill or entrepreneurship training facilities and centers, and different art and culture centers also are being planned in that area. So all these discussions had taken place, and we had a very productive meeting, and we're hopeful that very soon the approval from MHA will come for the taking over of the land by the CRPF, which has been allotted by us today. And today, in a very important meeting, the government of Meghalaya has handed over the allotment land, the letter of allotment to the CRPF.